in India, we have all these kind of lakes. So we are unique. We are unique in every way. We are unique in terms of diversity, in terms of human races we are diverse, in terms of biodiversity we are diverse, in terms of ecosystems we are diverse. So we should be proud and we should conserve that because we have this kind of.
We are not saying let's take it back to an older state, because the state that we want it to is the state what people would want to use it for right now.